Now we are going to draw the outer race of the bearing. So we need to be on this part, the inner race of the bearing, in order for us to sketch the outer race of the bearing. So we have to show this sketch, revolve cut, show it, and then we are going to sketch on right plane, sketch, normal 2, okay. So this is, we are going to sketch our center line, okay, from the point of origin, right? So center line, and then I'm going to make a rectangle above this circle, okay. Okay, just put it, all right. So the thickness that we put on the inner race is also 5 mm, so I want this one to be 5 also, 5 mm. And then this distance, okay, I'm going to draw a circle also, so I convert this entity, convert, okay, check. So this is my sketch that I need to have. So this line must be 10 mm on this area, so I have to put dimension, so it should be 10, so that it is on the center, okay. So the thickness is 5, so this should be 20. All right, so this is what we need. So we escape, right. Now I'm going to copy this sketch, so select, including the center line. To copy, just Ctrl C, right, and then open your part, okay, and then on right plane you sketch and then Ctrl B. All right, so this is my sketch for my outer race. So what I'm going to do is just revolve boss features and then revolve boss base, then we select this area, all right, and then check. So this is my outer race of the bearing. So what we need, we jumper the edges, jumper, we put it 1 mm, enter. So the other side also check, and the inside we put it 0.5, jumper 0.5, check. So the other edge also 0.5, okay. And then the material we use just now is steel, okay. We use this design and then this part, all right, check. So we save this part as the outer race bearing, okay, 6.